Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Enough for possibilities. As the country continues its transition process, the trio of Atiku Abubakar, Rabiu Kwankwaso, and Peter Obi have begun to discuss the possibility of a merger with the ultimate goal of setting up a formidable party that can more effectively challenge the ruling All Progressives Congress, APC. This they has learned. The meeting of these three political leaders, which had been going on for a while, it was gathered, started with the one between Atiku, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and Kwankwaso, the presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party, NNPP, at the last presidential election. After the first leg of meetings was adjudged successful, another one between Obi, the presidential candidate of Labour Party, LP, and face of the obedient movement, and other critical elements in PDP started to take shape after the two stakeholders agreed to bring him in. The discussions, which were said to still be at the preliminary stages, had been hinged on two pillars. The first, according to insiders, the three leaders have decided to wait and watch the outcome of the election petitions in court, which would determine the second leg of the decision should the court verdict go south.
So I'll take you back memory lane. In 2002, America's Secretary of Defense, Donald Rumsfeld, was attending a press conference as regards if there were weapons of mass destruction in Iraq. And the journalist asked him that pointed question. And Donald Rumsfeld replied by saying, there are some known knowns and there are some known unknowns. And let me further it by saying there are some unknown unknowns. Concerning this merger, there are some known knowns. What are the first known knowns? The fact that all politicians are the same in Nigeria, and they look for where their interests are lies. And when their interests are lies, they can coalesce. So it's never a deep feeling on animus between all of them. I'll give you an instance. Prior to this time, Bola Ahmed Tinubu was not ready to do a deal with Buhari. But when he saw that their interests could align, it could be his path to presidency, they coalesced, they did a deal together. And they add some flickerings of PDP into the deal and APGA. They formed the APC. That's a known. So for a deal like this being on the table, it is possible it can happen. It's a known. Because all their interests are coming together. And please, don't be too emotional about politicians. They are all the same. I kid you not. The same Kwankwaso that at first went to meet with Bola Tinubu once the administration started. I'm sure probably because he didn't get a good deal there. So the next thing, he looks for another bidder. Pure and simple. Everybody does it. The same Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, that was at some point very good allies with Muhammadu Buhari, ran against him in 2019. So why do you hold politicians to heart so much? Those are known knowns. Known unknown will be, we don't know how this will pan out. And let's not deceive ourselves. Because these same three people, the Chinese have a saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. 20 years ago, which was before the last election, why didn't they come together? Ego played a major role. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar thought he could get it for himself. Peter Obi thought with the obedient movement he could nick it. Kwankwaso thought he could nick it. If you ask these three men who won the election, they will say we did. So why do you deceive yourself too much about politicians? But they couldn't come together. This same Kwankwaso that couldn't make a deal with Obi, leading up to the last election, that talks broke down. All of a sudden, they want to coalesce efforts. So we don't know how this will pan out. We don't know who they are going to put forward as president. Would their ego allow them? Would Atiku Abubakar say, oh, you don't know, I might be how many times lucky now on the next stroke, so let me go. Because that was how they made the argument in the PDP, that, he's the only one that has electoral value. Others didn't, Abi, as against the zeitgeist of the nation that was talking about, let power go to the south. We don't know if Kwankwaso will want to say, I'm the king of Kano. I can take Kano. And some other northern states will be able to vote for me. We don't know if Peter Obi will say, me and my obedient movement, we can make change happen. So there are some things we don't know. We don't know how this will pan out. But unknown will be, in all of this, the average Nigerian person does not know where the next meal will come from. The average Nigerian person does not know what future holds for them. The average Nigerian person does not know what will befall his fortunes. The even average Nigerian rich man does not know. Maybe another devaluation will happen to the currency, that he will become poorer than he was yesterday. The average Nigerian company does not know what will happen to their fortunes next. Maybe, rather than thinking of the known about our politician, it's time to start thinking of the unknown. I rest my case.
All right. Well, Rufai, you said that. I just wanted to point out something. You said that out of the three of them, they all thought they won. I don't think Kwankwaso would think that I don't think so. I think no, he's not even. He didn't even bother going to court. So let me just say that.
They will reply you.
All right. In terms of a merger, you both said it all, and let me just chip in a few things as well with regards to, at the end of the day, as we have said and emphasized a number of times, don't die in their war. It's interests at the end of the day. When interests align, then politicians then find out that they're able to work together. Recall that just immediately after the announcement, or during the collation actually, before the announcement of the results during the elections, PDP and Labour Party held a joint press conference, and there were already conversations around what has, where is that coming from? And a number of their supporters who were, especially from the obedient movement, had said, no, we don't want anything to do with the old. So why are we having even a joint press conference to address concerns with regards to the process of election, the process of INEC's process in terms of the collation and announcement of results? So there was already an indication that it wasn't off the tables for conversations to still be had. Also, we remember that Mr. Peter Obi was in the PDP before he then moved on to go on to the Labour Party and become the presidential flag bearer of that party. And so we have new ideas. We had a very strong movement with regards to the obedience. But in all of this, whether they are having mergers, conversations, coming together, who is stepping down for who, I hope we don't lose the momentum, especially with regards to the young people who want a change, so that at the end of the day, no matter what emerges from this conversation, the people still recognize that the office of the citizen is the most important and the most powerful office, or should be, let me put it that way, the most powerful office in the land. And so the people should put their interests first and make demands, come to the table. You see how politics works. It's not just about, I'm sticking to my guns, I'm not going to do it. When it comes to it, they will come together and have conversations, and they will agree. If it doesn't align, they will go back again to throwing stones at each other if it doesn't work out. Because as has already been identified, it's same.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.